How to add and remove the bands on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to add and remove your watch bands for the smartwatch. So let's just say you just got your device and you want to see how to attach these bands. I will be showing you how to do it. This will be the same way to do it. Let's say you got new bands and you want to put on new bands and replace these orange ones with something else, or maybe you got a different color. The way to install them is quite easily. You just take it, make sure you line everything up, and you just firmly press. You will hear a click. That means that it is installed. Once again, same thing on this side. Go ahead, apply some pressure. I like to hold these edges right here and push in. Just like that, they pop in. They are both now set in place. And the way to remove them, take them out. So you got your new ones in and you want to take them out. There are little oval shaped pieces here. You go ahead and apply some pressure into there, and you should be able to then, once you apply the pressure, should be able to slide them out fairly easily. This does require a little bit. It's got to be fully pressed before it does come out. Keep that in mind when you're hitting these buttons. If you're just hitting it ever so slightly, it's not going to work. You need to give it the full pressure in order for it to release the bands. So just like that. That is my quick little tutorial there on how to install your bands and how to take them off on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. I'm sure it's very similar with all the other smart watches. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information or could benefit from seeing this, be sure to share it with them. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.